of Lost Rain. It was a very hot afternoon. Shaurya Holmes and Sam Watson walking in the middle of nowhere. Sweat was dripping from Holmes' forehead and cheeks. Sam Watson was eager for water and some breeze. Shaurya Holmes looked up to the sky. No sign of shady clouds, just hot sun. Sam Watson was so tired and thirsty. "Aha," said Shaurya Holmes. Sam Watson looked here and there with hope. Shaurya Holmes was looking up in the sky with happy smile. Sam Watson followed his eyes. "The game is on," Holmes said. There was something hiding between a bundle of white clouds. Shaurya Holmes got very excited, leaving Sam Watson confused. "Follow me," said Shaurya Holmes. He started running. Sam Watson follows without any clue. Running frivolously, both of them tumble and fall. Black Cloud starts laughing, making them more frown. Holmes pulls out a slingshot from his pocket. Watson gives him a big round stone. Looking at that, Black Cloud tries to run. But here comes a stone at him, making a hole into him. 1 and 2 and 3, more and more holes. Here comes the rain through it. Watson looks with surprise and shock. Rain, 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 all over again. Holmes and Watson start dancing in it, making silly voices and jumping. Case of Lost Rain was solved. Shaurya Holmes and Sam Watson did it again.